today I want to talk about a tool most chefs use that not many home cooks do, the Benriner Mandolin. Made in Japan, very useful for slicing, getting everything perfect, the same size, and then julienning. Very useful, also very dangerous. When these things are new, they're like just a razor sharp blade, and you have to be very careful. So, only the technique is straight from the side before we're doing the cutting board. So you keep your fingers up. There's so many people cut themselves these things, it's insane. Whenever you cut yourself, you have to put a notch in it, like just to pay homage to, and then you got to name the mandolin as well, because sometimes they're evil. Sometimes they're good, sometimes they're evil. So fingers up, and you're using just like my palm right there, like that. And you push against the blade like that. So from above, you won't be able to see it, but I want to make sure that fingers up, and you're just using like the back of your palm there. So if you do catch the blade, it's kind of your gnarly palm, and it's a wide surface area, and it can take the hit. It won't be nice, I don't recommend it, but it'll take the hit. Depending on how much, for maybe a year or two, and then you either take the blades out and sharpen, or just buy new ones. They're like probably like 30 to 50 US. They're not that expensive.
I would guess.
It's a guess, but around there. Thanks, Patty. So, let me show you what to do. This is the best part. So you have this nice purple carrot. I'm gonna use the palm right here. And see, now we have little carrot planks. This could be daikon, whatever you can think of. Now we're gonna make julienne, and this is a great way to make it all homogeneous, so that all the julienne pieces look exactly the same. And you will get better at this. It just definitely takes time. There we go. Nice for a salad, garnish, anything. You can do things as small as this. I'm not going to go into the amazing amount of things you can do with these, but I recommend spending how much, Patty?
Are you
$30 to $50?
used to dealing with things this small?
What? Oh, I'm strangely comfortable with this. I don't know why. All right, so. And when you get comfortable, you can go pretty fast. And look, all that's left was that. You have these beautiful things. You plunge this in ice water bath. They curl a little bit and become translucent. We have our old friend.
Asparagus.
There we go.
Asparagus.
Once you get to the tip, Patty, the tip. Do you want to make a joke about that word?
No.
No?
I'm too serious for that.
Oh, yeah. Professional. So these also, when you put them in ice water, they curl really nicely. Tastes the same, but it's just a different look. I hope these little tips help. Everyone's stranded home cooking, maybe for the first time. I hope they help. And if you have any ideas, stuff you want to know, that'll be quite simple and fast to demonstrate, let me know. And we, Patty and I, we'll do it.
Demonstrate a lot of things fast, can't you?
I think you reached on that one. I don't think that worked at all. Nice try. Oh, all right, there we go. Cut.